On the top side, Chip versus Sanford here. Very non-committal. Oy! Speaking of committal, my goodness! Brusco with the flames!
Yung implosion mo. If it means na sa road kayo mag-commit ng so be it. Chessman actually, hindi siya nag-ulti dito pero na-prompt na niya mag-ulti. Itong si Kurt. Nakikita with the TP play.
Knock-up coming in from the Dragon as well. From South Chessman, gonna go down. Super Prince naman hinahabol. Sanford nagwawala. Dun sa kanyang CC. Ito na yung klaseng CC.
May bottom lane. Nabigyan ng farm si Kelwan. Nagkaroon pa ng trick si Sanford. Everything is looking good para sa Sansa.
Pero sabi nila, you know what, Sanford, kailangan nating solusyonan. Nag-5-man gang doon sa taas. Pero the comeback, the pushback here from TLPH3.
Lalaro niya dito. And now, ang hope para sa Onyx Philippines is stun retreat. JP on the backlines.
Oh, JP, gonna be caught here. Actually, nasa low ng implosion si JP and he will go down. Because of that, Sanford no very, very low HP ang ibang sabayan kay Kurt. Si Sanji naman ay kasama yung sa walang.
Else, magandang card. Siguro, yung Fury card dito kay Sanji. Okay.
Roscoe with implosion na cancel yung pwede airstrike dito. I think alay muna siya. Pero that is gonna be Lord cleared and possibly more damage coming. Then TLPH is doing it. Sure nila na magsasurvive pa! And that is gonna be Sanji going down with it. I don't know how they're gonna get out of this one. They do have some strength. They have some power. Chessman goes down. JP nasa harapan trying to get some damage back. Kelwan with a good
Speed lang, tol. Binaburst na nila, biniblitz na yung Lord, hindi na makakapersa. Kailangan ng umount dito ng members na ko.
There you go. Looks like this is gonna be a really strong engagement coming in from JP. Kelwan with a kill. Landas agad. And si Kurt naman naghahanapon. Nasaan daw si Chessman. He needs that damage in.
Jesus blood. Gustong pumalag. At yun na nga. Uy!
Ayun!
Sacrifice to match it. They have the discipline to match it as well. Pati na rin yung experience na meron sila sa mga gantong clutch na mga moments. They also have the advantage. Let's see how they will use it.
Let's see. Ako ma-clear niya. Obviously, Brusco trying to go for the cancel. Kasama niya si Super Prince on the
Base
side. Pero base na yata ang trabaho dito ng Team Liquid Philippines.